Hey guys, what's happening? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. It is, Thursday when I'm shooting this video. And I wanted to shoot this video and talk about how to make money with Facebook ads. And there's a reason why my beard's not perfectly groomed right now. The hair's not looking too bad, but there's a reason why I'm doing this, you guys. And I'm gonna be talking about that in this video. But if you're excited for the content, make sure that you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Man, after going down those stairs, I'm a little tired. So we're gonna talk a little bit about how to make money with Facebook ads. Now, I'm a YouTube expert, I'm not a Facebook expert, but this is coming from somebody by the name of Frank Kern, a guy in this industry. He's like the Michael Jordan of internet marketing. And I learned this technique from him, and I realized that I'm doing this on YouTube and I should be doing it more on Facebook. I always thought that Facebook ads were complex and complicated and you had to deal with compliance and you had to do these little tweaks and make tons of different ad sets and tons of different ads, then split test and target certain interests. And I just thought that it was complicated until I learned this concept from Frank that I'm going to kind of describe to you in this video. And I'm also going to show you an actual case study later on in this channel. So you'll be able to see the inside of my computer. You'll be able to see the ads that I'm running. But I'm going to explain to you in this video exactly what I plan on doing. So let's kind of sit down here and let's talk about this. So what you want to do, obviously, to your target market is you want to show them that you can help them by actually helping them. What most people are doing on Facebook is they've got a video ad or a story ad leading people to a webinar or to a product, to an opportunity, whatever it may be. And that's good, it's great, it works, but there's a point where saturation starts to set in. And I believe that that's starting to happen over on Facebook. And so a lot of people are leaving Facebook, they're going to Instagram, but they're not realizing that there's tons of opportunity on Facebook. So here's what I plan on doing. This is gonna require really no website. It's not gonna require any funnel. It's not gonna require setting up a bunch of technical stuff. This is very basic and easy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a series of videos for your target market and actually help your target market in these videos. Think about the biggest problems that your target market is having and create a series of videos that solve those specific problems. And it doesn't matter if you're, in your car, it doesn't matter if you just got done with the gym. As a matter of fact, Frank's videos that he shot, a lot of you guys might think, oh, well, this is Frank, but it actually worked on his cold market. People that didn't know who Frank Kern was. And I was just reading the comments and people were saying, man, I love the value. This is great. I don't know you, but thank you so much. I love, what I'm getting from you. And so what you want to do is just go out there, give pure value, right? A series of videos, maybe it's 3 videos, maybe it's 4 videos. And what you would do is you would boost your video, okay? You could pay like $5, $10 a day to boost the video to a certain interest group. And we're going to get into detail about this, or just boost it to your current followers if you already have a fan page, and just give value on the topics that people need that are in the most demand in your specific niche. So for example, in affiliate marketing, I'm just kind of running this through my head live as we do this. Maybe I would create a video on the one thing that's keeping affiliate marketers from succeeding. Maybe I talk a little bit about shiny object syndrome and marketing and why people get overwhelmed, and there's so many different topics I can go into too as well. But I would really sit down and brainstorm, what are the biggest problems you guys are having? Maybe I'd even email you guys and I'd say, what's your biggest problem when it comes to making money online, when it comes to building or starting an affiliate marketing business? And I would take those answers, take the answers that stand out the most, that occur the most, and I would talk about those on video in a series of videos. And then what I would do is I would just, of course, again, boost these videos, and I would go back through the videos after I've boosted them. Maybe I've spent a week boosting them, spending $5 a day. And I'd look at the comments and I'd see the people that are engaging, that are getting value, and I'd personally reach out to them and just say, hey, thank you so much for, commenting on my post, my recent live that I did. And they'll come back and say, oh yeah, no problem, man. And you might come back and say, well, how's business? What's going on in your world? And they'll give you a little bit of information on what's going on in their world. And then you can go on if you want to, and you can offer to actually help them again and say, hey, I would love to help you further. If you're interested, no charge, we can jump on a call and I can even help you further with XYZ problem. And so you jump on a call and help them with XYZ problem. And now you've demonstrated about 3 times that you can help them. You've demonstrated it on the actual Facebook Live, the boosted post. You've demonstrated it in the private messenger, and then you've demonstrated it on the actual call, okay? And then you can say, hey, if you're interested, by the way, I've got a coaching program that will teach you this in more detail. If you'd love to join, I'd love to have you. And it's that easy. You don't need to do any hard selling or anything like that. We want to demonstrate that we can help people by actually helping them. And I'd probably go into a little bit more detail on the messenger part. I didn't really do that in this video because it's just sort of off the cuff. But maybe you would find out what the problems are through Facebook Messenger, and you'd answer some of those problems and then say, hey, as a matter of fact, there's only so much I can do through Messenger. Let's just jump on a call where I can go through this in more detail for you. Again, no catch, no charge. And then you jump on the call with them. At the end, you're like, hey, by the way, I do have a coaching program. I do want to help you further if you're interested. If not, that's okay. And chances are, if you've helped them 3 times already, they're gonna want more help. And if you've helped them and you've solved their problems, they're gonna want the rest of their problems probably solved. So with that said, I hope you got value from this video. Again, I'm gonna show you guys this live, how it works in action. And by the way, the reason why I just got up and did this video is because here's the thing. A lot of people won't do videos because they care about what other people think. But do you want to know the truth about other people? What they really care about is themselves. They don't really give a shit about you. They just give a shit about whether you can help them or not, okay? They don't care about your Lamborghinis. They don't care about your nice houses. They don't care about necessarily how you look. And if they do, then that's few and far in between. So, next time you have some sort of fear to go out there and shoot video, put content out there, just know that they don't really care about you. They care about them. And if they did care about you, 3 minutes after they care about you, they're off to something else. So with that said, if you got value from this video, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, because I'm uploading videos daily right now. And again, I just appreciate you guys. We just crossed over 20,000 subscribers yesterday. This is exciting. I want to continue to deliver a value to you guys, but also get you guys from consuming mode to producing mode. And that's one reason why I want to shoot this video. And that's why I create these little amateur videos. People don't care about how you look. They care about the content that you're receiving, or they care about the content that they're receiving and how you can help them. So Josh Elder signing off. Subscribe to this channel, and then tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. There goes my voice. Time to end the video. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.